A few moments later.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, we are from Group 3 and our members are Tjoa, Aurelia, Civa Octaviani,
Catherine Shafira,
Niken Safira, Nabila Wahyuningsi.
Today we will present a procedure test about how to make flavored chicken spring rolls or in Indonesia lumpia ayam suwir.
A few moments later.
The ingredients: chicken, spring roll, seasoning, red chili, garlic, bay leaf, lemongrass.
the tools are knife, cutting board, blender, frying pan, strainer, bowl. Boil the chicken until it is cooked and tender. Add bay leaves, lemongrass, and ginger.
A few moments later.
Shred the chicken into small pieces using your hand.
And then blend the chili, garlic, and water. Until smooth. Add the spready chicken and mix well with the seasoning.
Wow! A few moments later.
Step 1. Spring roll. Place a spoon of shredded chicken. And then with the fork and roll.
Fry the spring rolls until golden brown and crispy.
That's all our presentation about how to make shredded chicken spring rolls. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye. Bye. Yeah.